Hey there, busy bees, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 3 quick and easy nutrition tips for those always on the go. Ready? Let's get straight to the point. In this fast-paced world, we need food that's quick, nutritious, and easy to prepare. Healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. Meal prep. Spend a couple of hours on the weekend cooking and packing your meals, making delicious and nutritious dishes with minimal time and effort. No need to spend hours in the kitchen. We're focused on efficiency, maximizing flavor and nutrition without wasting time. This includes strategic shopping, clever meal prep, and effective shortcuts. Get ready to improve your nutrition and save time. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Meal prep. Spend a couple of hours on the weekend cooking and packing your meals. This isn't complicated, but it's going to change your life. Think of it as a strategic operation. Plan and execute. Weekends might be for relaxing, but a couple of hours spent prepping will save you a lot of time during the week. We're talking big batch cooking here. Roast a whole chicken, grill a lot of veggies, cook a large pot of quinoa. Don't be overwhelmed. These are simple recipes anyone can handle. Roasted vegetables, chop them up, toss with olive oil and seasoning and bake. Chicken, rub with herbs and spices and bake. Quinoa, water, boil, simmer, done. Now portion the food into containers. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, sorted. Having these ready-to-go meals will stop you from reaching for takeout when hunger strikes. And don't say you don't have time. We're all busy, but we make time for what's important. This is about investing in your health. Think of the satisfaction of opening your fridge and seeing a week's worth of healthy meals, all ready to eat. No more last-minute stress, no more unhealthy choices out of desperation. This is about taking control of your nutrition, one prepped meal at a time. So start planning. Your body will thank you for it. Right, you lot, let's talk about the supermarket. This isn't bloody supermarket sweep, it's a tactical operation. We're in and out with maximum efficiency and a basket full of nutritional gold. First things first, pre-cut veggies are your new best friend. Yeah, I said it, don't give me that look. Sometimes convenience trumps all when you're short on time. Frozen fruits and veggies are your secret weapon, packed full of nutrients and they last for ages. Plus, no chopping, no peeling, no excuses. Canned goods, don't turn your nose up. Beans, lentils, tuna, salmon pantry staples that can be transformed into quick and easy meals in minutes. And for God's sake, read the labels. Sugar hiding in your sauces, sodium levels through the roof. Don't be a donkey. Know what you're putting in your body. Remember, this is about working smarter, not harder. A well-stocked kitchen is a happy kitchen. Now go forth and conquer that grocery store. And no, the biscuit aisle is not on the way to the checkout. Listen up, you hungry hippos. Snacking. It's not the enemy, but you need to do it right. We're talking about fueling your body, not throwing whatever's closest down your gullet. First rule of snacking, be prepared. Keep a stash of healthy snacks within arm's reach. Nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt, fruit. These are your weapons against those sugar cravings. Second rule, portion control, you greedy pigs. Just because it's healthy doesn't mean you can eat the whole bloody lot. Measure out your snacks into small containers. Third rule, hydration is key. Often, when you think you're hungry, you're actually just thirsty. Keep a water bottle handy and sip on it throughout the day. Now let's talk about those cravings. Chocolate calling your name? Fine. Have a square of dark chocolate, but don't go scoffing the whole bar. Crisps whispering sweet nothings? Swap them out for a handful of unsalted nuts. Remember, this is about making smart choices, not depriving yourself. Life's too short to be miserable, but it's also too short to be unhealthy. So, snack smart, stay satisfied, and keep those energy levels high. There you have it. Simple, effective nutrition hacks for even the busiest bees among you. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be a military operation. Plan your meals, shop smart, and snack like a pro. Now, stop making excuses and start making changes. Your body will thank you for it. And trust me, once you taste how good healthy can be, you'll wonder why you didn't do this sooner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next video.